I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge 2 hosted by ShanoukiArt. This is card number 9. And our prompts for this are magazines. I'm going to use this. Weaving, and I want to weave something with this cast-off paper that I used when I was doing some of my artwork. Vellum. I've got this scrap of vellum. And flowers, and I cut out these flowers. So be sure and check out Shanouki's art channel. I'll have it listed in my description box down below, as well as the hashtag. Hopefully the hashtag will be working. It hasn't been doing very well on YouTube for some reason, but we'll hope that will be fixed soon. But be sure and check out all the people that do that. These are quick videos, but it's just so amazing how everybody has the same prompts and come out with something so totally different. So without further ado, let's get started. here's card number 9. I think he turned out cute. I've got my weaving in the background as well as the vellum in the background. I've got my flowers and I've got my magazine piece. And I think that little kitty cat looks so cute sitting in front of those flowers. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to check out ShanoukiArt and please check out the hashtag. And until next time, bye y'all.